We thought as a congregation that we would come together and have a candlelight service for the children, for the families, and for the ones that was in the accident, so we could pay our respects and have prayer for each one and have a service set aside just especially for these people, to show them as a community that we are concerned.
Matthew 5 and 4. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted.
Jesus loves me, this I know. Oh, the Bible tells me so.
I think especially when children are involved, I think that it brings the best out of us, and I think that it was such a horrific tragedy that the entire community has come together in honor of those two children.
When I look up and I see, man, all these firefighters, all these people that's devoted their time. What this world has lost, heaven's gained.